One. Hi, this is the Green Team, and this is our training video for our Medical University Student Management System. I am Cody Cain, the Analyst, Trainer, and Technical Communicator, and I'll now introduce my team, starting with Carter Hinkle.
Hello, I'm Carter. I was the front-end developer and tester for this website. Brian?
Ryan Hinkle, and I was one of the developers, did a lot of backend and project manager.
And I'm Christian Hinkle, and I'm developer and tester along with Carter Hinkle. We both trade off of back end and front end, and of course we all we needed to help each other with the code also in the end. So.
All right, so we're going to start by showing how the admin can perform administrator functions, and I'm going to hand it off to Christian to explain how that is performed.
So yeah, we have an admin account set up. So in order for the admin to set that up, they'll have to contact us. We have a stored procedure in the database to set an account up for them, and we already have an account called admin. We'll log in as him, and when you log in as admin, you can create accounts for your users. So if we view our current staff, we currently have Paul Morley and Paul Morden. So for example, let's make another staff. Let's do create staff, and we'll do username Erickson, and password. I like to do this is just a temporary password. So and just definitely email or contact Erickson to change his password as soon as you do this. And for example, we'll log in as Erickson, and let me see. Was it capital? Erickson, password temporary. And now, as soon as you log in, you should right away set up your account, Erickson Hansen.
The staff info page is where you can modify your user data, like your first name, last name. You can also change your password.
Yeah. So right now we're Erickson, and the admin just created us. So we're gonna go like, all right. So let's make a secure password actually. So my password is secure. All right. That's good. And currently we don't have any students, so we can log back in as admin, and we can create student accounts now. So how this works is same as staff, except let's do I don't know, my student, and we're gonna make the password temporary again. And so now we have to assign the student to a staff. So we'll assign him to the staff that we just made, Erickson Hansen, and yeah, let's do that. Assign him to Erickson Hansen.
The student needs to be assigned to a staff member before they can submit documents or information.
Yeah, that's good. And
the admin can also configure artifacts from the screen for the student to submit.
Yeah, that's good. So like Cody was saying, we got to make some artifacts for our students to submit and that our staffs can verify. So right now we already have college transcript, so but that's not enough. Of course, we're gonna need, let's see, proof of residency. Let's do that, for example, and let's do, it's another good one. We'll do what is it called? Resume. Alright, now that we got these artifacts that are required by the admin, we can log in as a student and submit some of these artifacts. So let's log in as I am Tim Corey. Password is still temporary. So that's a good idea. Let's change that. It's always good. You don't want to go with it's important for the admin to contact you right away or your staff to change your password. So All right, and Tim Corey, he's already filled out his student information, so we're good here. And if we look at our My Artifacts page, we can see all the required artifacts that the admin has required. So Tim Corey has already submitted his college transcript, so we can view that here. That's his college transcript. And so, but these two documents that were just made, we haven't done these yet. So let's go fill this out. Proof of residency. Choose this as an example PDF, and now it's been submitted. So in the back end, this instantly uploads it to the database, and it's awaiting for approval. So we just created the artifact, and now if we log in as the staff of Tim Corey, then we'll be able to see this. So let's log in as Tim Corey's staff. I think is Paul Morden 12. So if we view our students, we can see Tim Corey. So this is good. So Tim Corey is the student we were just logged in as. Now we're logged in as Tim Corey's associated staff. So, and we can see Tim Corey's artifacts that he submitted. So let's view his college transcript. As you can see, this is what it was. There's persistent storage here of what Tim Corey has submitted for his college transcript. And the proof of residency, the document that we just submitted, is right here as well. So, and now that we're here, we can go ahead and let's say his proof of residency. This is a good proof of residency. So we'll check that off and verify as an admin. And let's look at some of our other students. So yeah,
As a staff, you can check it off.
yeah, as a staff, we're logged in as Tim Corey's staff, and now we've checked off his document. And let's go ahead and, if you tried checking off a resume, it's like Tim Corey hasn't submitted his resume yet, and we're not able to check this off. Nothing appears. So, but let's say, for example, like Tim Corey, he doesn't have his resume, and Paul Morden, his staff, saves the day. He's like, I got this as your resume. You sent this to me a while ago. And now, if we go and, so now we can go check this off for him. So
that allows the staff to submit documents for the student
exactly
if the student is having trouble with it or something like that.
That's good.
This
yeah.
allows you to change the way the document's collected, use different methods for your organization. It's best practice to have the students submit their own documents, but the functionality is there.
Yes.
Also, in addition to this page, what happens when I'm not sure if this was clear yet, but when you click a student, and these are all the students that the staff, quote, has ownership of, so like who they are in charge of. When you click one, it shows what documents they need to submit. So the bottom thing is updated based on what you select.
Yeah, and we can see that here when we select Trent, we can see that he does not have his college transcript submitted. And when we select Tim Corey, you can see he does have it submitted. And you know what? Let's go check it off. There we go. And as well, you could also filter some of these results. So Nathan's. All right. And now that we have gone through logging in as a student and submitting documents and the staff checking off the documents, now let's log in as the admin, and let's see, now you can see our list of staff here. Erickson, Hansen, that was the quick one we just made, and Paul Morden is the one with a lot of students. So you can see we could generate a list of students, and Tim Corey is here, and he's submitted all of his documents, and here's our artifacts that we have required them to submit.
That's a useful page for running reports and printing off tables for people to be able to look at.
Yeah, yes. This is helpful debugging and information tools. And I think do you guys have anything else?
I think
I
that
think-
should cover most of it. From
Yeah,
what
this
I
is
can-
a good basics of medical university student management. So this will get you started with if you have a student, he can log in, change his information, submit documents. The staff can check it off, and the admin can verify that all the artifacts are submitted and checked off. And that is medical university student management. Thanks for watching.